Hello friends, I hope you are doing great with your family and friends. In this video I'm going to show you the best place to install the buzzer on Royal Enfield Thunderbird. As we know guys, in car there is a beep sound which remind us to turn off the indicator, or in the mostly cars it turn off automatically by the steering wheel. But in the motorbikes there is not such feature, so we need to install a buzzer which we can hear it in a heavy traffic to drive safe. So we're going to install it, so let's start the video guys.
The suppression, the use of marijuana. The suppression, the use of marijuana. The suppression, the use of marijuana.
I hope guys you like the place where I put the buzzer where water can't reach it. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment box. So signing out for now, catch you in the new video. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Bye guys.